All right, Craig Hocknull here. Got a really cool location out here on the back of the range. Not very often do you get to practice ball below your stance shots with a fairway wood. So I've got my Epic Max 3 Plus with a Link gunmetal shaft. It's the 6F5. Now, as you can see from here, a lot of times with par 5s, you never know. You've got your ball well below your feet. Now you've got to hit a shot. I've got a bunker, let's call this a fairway bunker in front of me, some trees on the left and my fairway out to the right. The problem with this situation is that most of the time when you hit it, it rockets out super low and it may not clear that lip of the bunker, and it probably won't clear those trees. So here's what you want to do. In this situation, you want to be able to swing much more vertically than normal. If you set up to it with your weight in your toes and you take your normal backswing, here's what happens. Your weight tends to fall back into your heels, and then when you swing down the slope, you end up falling down the slope. So here's what I need for you to do. Try to stay balanced. Picture me standing on a balance beam and swinging my arms more vertically up and down. The adult male arm weighs approximately 11 pounds. You can look that up if you want. I've now got 22 pounds plus a 2-pound golf club swinging up and down in this manner rather than around and around, which is causing me to lose balance. So here's what this shot looks like. I'm going to set up slightly to the left. I'm going to take on these trees in front of me. As I come through, I'm going to hit down and right back up underneath with a slightly open club face. That's going to launch it up high. I'm going to have improved contact because of my swing, and then my contact with the open face is going to launch it up high. I'm going to get that high fade over the trees. So here's what that shot looks like. Taking my setup, stand as tall as I can. I'm going to grip down just a little bit because I'm going to swing a little bit more vertically, more like a pitching wedge instead of a 3-wood. Nice and balanced under my ankles, open that cub face, nice big high hand swing like Bubba Watson, up in the air and underneath. There it goes. Beautiful high fade, nicely struck. So next time you're in this situation, give that a shot.